Okay, hello everyone. Uh, Today we are gonna work on homework 3, problem 2. Again, we are gonna use Loft feature to create a part. Creating the new part. Because for this problem we have we are in the drawing. There are 4 cross section defined. We need 4 parallel plane to create the part. We start with the top plane. Click on that. Hold Control and drag the top plane to the top. This would be 75. Click OK. Then again click on plane 1, hold Control, drag. This would be 100. For plane 2, click OK, and then again doing the same to create the top plane. Would be 75 the distance to the plane 2, and click OK. Okay, now we have this 4 plane. We start creating a drawing with the top plane. Click on sketch. We need to create a square with a dimension of 110. Click on the center rectangle. Okay, this would be smart dimension. This would be 110. Okay, 110. Exit the sketch. Okay, we go to plane 1, edit a sketch. We go to here, normal 2. Then again we use the center rectangle, use the center point. Okay, smart dimension, this would be 80 by 80. Okay, exit the sketch. Now we go in plane 2, edit sketch, Control 8, center rectangle. You're doing the same thing here again. Smart dimension, this would be 50 by 50, and click OK. Now exit sketch, and the last one on plane 3, edit sketch, Control 8, okay. This would be 90 by 90. Okay. Just I want to check the both are 90. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Exit sketch. Okay, we're done with drawing. Now we need to create the part. Okay, click on Loft boss. Okay, we need to choose these profiles, right? Click at this point, should be connected to this, and to this, right? Click OK. Okay, we have the part here. Now, before going to create the drawing, we need to create a reference axis. Click on the references, create axis. Okay, we want an axis which is the intersection of the front plane and right plane. Then click on the two planes, front plane and right plane. Create axis. Save this as work 3 problem 2. Okay, now when we save it, then we go to file, make drawing from part, click on the drawing, click OK. Okay, we bring the front view first, then we go to the top view, okay, and now we need to, let's click on this, show you the hidden lines. Then we need to create the sections. That's a little bit the tricky part of this. We need to go to this one, this. Okay, click on plane 1 here. On the drawing view 1, plane 1, right click, show. Again, plane 2, right click, show. We are going to use this to create section views. Now, after doing this, what we need to do, go to the layout view, click on the section view. Okay, this, okay, going up. And now, okay, then we need to click on section again to create a section B. Click on this. Okay, we need to flip the direction of the sectioning. Then click OK. Now we want to move these section views. How are we gonna do that? If you can see that they are locked. We need to right click on the section AA and then go to alignment and choose this break alignment. Now we can move it wherever we want. And we need to do this the same for the section B, align, break align. Good. Okay, now the last thing before we are gonna do, we need to put the center lines. How are we gonna do that? Go to annotations, center lines. Okay, these two lines, this and this. And again, we need to do the same here. This, 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 and this. Okay, click OK. The last one is the center line for this view, the front view. For doing that, we create this, right click, this, show this. Now we have this. Okay, what we need to do next is to put the dimensions. Annotations, a smart dimension. Okay, we have these parentheses, we don't want them. Go to system options, document properties, dimensions, add parentheses by uncheck add parentheses by default, click OK. Now this is good. 90. This is again, we need to modify this 90 times 90. Sorry, you want to put the 110 on the top. Okay, 110. How to modify that? We need to use the edit this dimension text. Okay, click on this here, X 110. Sorry. Okay, dimension 90 times 90. Okay, what else? Then we need to go to this line. No. Again, smart dimension. This one would be 75. Click OK here. This would be 250. Click OK. This would be 75. Okay, here we need this would be smart dimension 50 times 50. If you wanna not these extension lines crossing, that's okay, leave it like this. It is feasible, but it's a little bit tricky. Now what we need to do is to smart dimension. Again, this would be 80 times 80. Okay, what else we need to do? I think that's all. And now we can save it, and problem 2-1 and save it as PDF. Also make sure that you are updating the date that you are creating the part and the drawing in part. 09/08/2019. Also update this. Fall 2019, and put your name here. Thank you so much for your attention.